everybody, thanks for clicking on this video and welcome to my savings, budgeting, and YouTube journey. On this channel, I experiment with different budgeting styles, savings goals, and I share the strategies I learn as I go. So if that sounds interesting at all to you, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to follow my journey. Okay, you guys, I am trying to whisper because it's early in the morning. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. So I wanted to get this done as soon as possible because I have a bunch of stuff that I need to do after work. So I was able to get the money out of the bank yesterday, and I am going to cash stuff that money today. So let's make sure we have enough and organize our money. I don't even have time to count it. I already counted it at the bank, so I know I have $466 to work with. So I'm going to separate this into my wallet funds and my sinking funds. And I have my sheet right here that I'm going to be working off of. Alright, and I like to do my wallet first. So this time we're going to be using our regular wallet. This is a wallet that my daughter got me for Christmas. So we're going to use that this week. I like to switch it up. Okay, personal is getting $50. And I always explain that I like to have smaller denominations in some of these, or most of these, because it kind of just helps me to spend less. It's probably the opposite for most people, but not for me. Okay, that's personal, so that's for anything that I need throughout the next 2 weeks. All of this is for the next 2 weeks. Household is getting $40. And that's for toiletries or anything like that I need. And I feel like I'm going to need more this week, actually. $50 in gas. So I'll do that after work. Entertainment is getting $45, 20, 30, 40. I actually think I'm going to be adjusting this. I think I'm going to put some of this entertainment money, date night, some of that I'm going to put into home because I know that we need some more stuff for the house, like toilet paper, paper towels, stuff like that. Dining is getting $60. Dining is getting $60 and miscellaneous is getting $30. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Okay, our wallet is ready for the week. I'm just gonna stuff them all. Right here. Okay, I'm going to be using this so that I know what I'm putting in each. So water is getting $10. Water is getting $10, which it always gets $10. So water now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So water has enough now to pay the bill that's due in March. It's usually about $60, so we'll figure out what we're going to do with the rest of those for the next few pay periods. Pet is getting $10. Actually, I'll probably put it in pet because pet needs more. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. So the next few paychecks that we get, we will probably put the money that's supposed to go in water into pet, since water is kind of fully funded for now. And I'll fill out these, what are they called? Trackers later on today when I get back home. Subscriptions gets $15. $20, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $95, $100. Yay! This is definitely one that I'm going to be looking at when I redo some of the binders, move some things around. I know I did that at the end of the year, but I feel like I need to change some things. Health is getting $10. So this is for any medicine or co-pays that I need. Mostly this is for the end of the year once I run out of what I have on my healthcare spending card. 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 53. So I'm probably only gonna save $100 to $150 in here. I don't really need that much. It's nothing in there. Gas and grocery. This is for any time we go over in groceries or if we go on any kind of road trips and we need extra gas. That's what it's for. 1, 2, 3, $13. And it's really just to replace what we used last pay period. $50, $60, $70, $80, $85, $90, $95, $96, $97, $98, $99, $100. So 100 tends to be what I leave in here so far. Okay, and then we have family fun. That's getting $20. I really wish we had more in here because I want to kind of do something. I finally got approval for some time off next week, just a few days, but we'd have a long weekend, so I wanted to go do something fun, but I don't know if we have enough to do that. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we have 140. It's not really enough to stay in a hotel or anything, but maybe if we combine it with entertainment, we might be able to. Nothing fancy, just, you know, something to do. We'll see. Plan something this weekend for next weekend, hopefully. It's kind of short notice, but. All right, and then we have mom binder. Oh, I know where I can get some money from. Okay, mom binder. I'm gonna go over that in a second. Mom beauty is getting $20, and that's because I had to empty this to pay for a pipe repair, which is fine. I didn't want to take it out of the savings challenges, so I took it out here instead. So I got $20. Okay. Now it's savings challenge time. All right, we're gonna put in here, let's start with home goal, since that's at the top of my list. There it is. Home goal is getting $20. And I'm not gonna count it. I'm just going to put these in. These are Sharpies I got from Walmart.com. If I remember, I will try to put it in the link down below. If not, it'll be in one of my, if I forget, it'll be in one of my savings challenge videos. Why am I struggling like this? I need to start working out again. Oh my God, I walked up a hill yesterday and almost died.
Somebody, he needs some milk.
Yeah, it was not pretty. Okay, and home goal is for specifically a lawnmower that I need to replace. I mean, I kind of don't need to replace it. That's why I made it a savings challenge, because it's not something that needs to be rushed. But actually, I might trade this for a deep freezer Or that might be another challenge I need to do because I do need a deep freezer. Okay. Let's home goal. Christmas is getting its first $10. Well, not first, but first in a while. Christmas is getting $10. So I had goals that I wanted to meet for these by the end of the quarter. And actually, Christmas is the only one that I'm worried I might not be able to do. Hopefully, when I get my income tax refund, I can put some towards it. But Christmas had a $400 goal that I wanted to add $400 to it. A total of $500 this quarter. So by April 9th, so I have 3 more paychecks to put $400 in there. But I do get my income tax, so I don't know. We'll see. That was a kind of a pretty large goal, along with, I think what threw me off was the succulent challenge. If I didn't forget about the succulent challenge in my goals, I probably would have known that I couldn't do both of those. Next is home maintenance is getting $15. So this is supposed to be for repairs throughout the house. So I could have took the pipe repair out of that, but I didn't want to. I don't want to take any money out of here until I reach these goals. At least the goals for the quarter. All right, $15. Let's see, the goal for this quarter for home goals was $200. I am going to check this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 155 in there. So this one we can meet. We can meet this one for sure. Hopefully in the next paycheck or with rollover we can meet this one. Okay, clothes. This is for my daughter's school clothes. It's getting $15. So this we will use in the summertime. I mean, also if she needs any before then, we could use this. But I'm hoping not to use any of the challenges until the goals are met. Birthdays is getting $15. Her birthday fund is already finished. So it's just me left. So I get to knock off 3 of these. This is the wrong marker, but that's okay. I don't know. It's fine. So this one's for my birthday, and that's, I feel like I missed something because I have some money left and I shouldn't. 10, 15. So we have already finished 2 saving challenges. We finished the second challenge, and we finished her birthday. All right, what else? So the last one in here, this is getting $3. This is our $1 challenge. I took out the trackers. So if you haven't seen my last video, I took out the trackers. I am no longer tracking this either on my sinking funds tracker, which is this. So I'm not tracking it on this anymore, and I'm also not using one of the challenges for it. We're just gonna keep saving it up and see at the end of the year how much we have. Hey, Child's Beauty is getting this last $15, and this is for her hair when she needs to get braids or whatever. 10, 15. So it now has 10, 20, 25, 30. And I do have a plan on how I'm going to keep money in this envelope. So make sure you stay tuned when I reveal that. I'll probably do that when I move some of the binders around. Hey, that's it for me. me today. I am going to update this sinking funds tracker. We have a new month, so we're going to have to fill out a new one of these for the month of February so we can keep track of our sinking funds and savings challenges. But that is it for me today. I want you to remember it is about progression and not about perfection. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy saving. Bye.